Welcome to AB Luxury, your ultimate destination for exploring the world of luxury and innovation in automobiles. Today, we bring you the 2025 Novo Toyota Veloz X-URBAN, a vehicle that perfectly blends sophistication, practicality, and rugged style. With its sleek design, advanced technology, and robust performance, the Veloz X-URBAN is ready to dominate both city streets and off-road adventures. Let's dive into everything this premium MPV has to offer. The first thing you'll notice about the Novo Toyota Veloz X-URBAN is its bold, commanding presence. Toyota has elevated its design game with this model, introducing a striking front fascia with the reimagined grille and sharp-LED headlights. The rugged accents, such as blacked-out cladding and skid plates, add a touch of off-road capability to its urban-friendly design. The 18-inch alloy wheels, roof rails, and a unique dual-tone color scheme give the X-URBAN a distinct and adventurous vibe. Step inside, and you'll find an interior that's all about comfort and convenience. The Veloz X-URBAN features premium leather upholstery, an ergonomic layout, and ambient lighting that sets the mood for every journey. The spacious cabin offers 3 rows of seating, comfortably accommodating up to 7 passengers, with flexible seating arrangements and ample storage space. This MPV adapts effortlessly to your lifestyle, whether it's a family trip or a solo adventure. When it comes to technology, the Novo Toyota Veloz X-URBAN doesn't hold back. It comes equipped with a 10-inch touchscreen infotainment system with seamless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration. The system is paired with a premium sound system that delivers an immersive audio experience. Other advanced features include a digital instrument cluster, wireless charging, and multiple USB ports to keep everyone connected and entertained. Under the hood, the Novo Toyota Veloz X-URBAN is powered by a 1.5-liter 4-cylinder engine that delivers 106 horsepower and 138 Newton-meters of torque. This engine is paired with a CVT transmission, ensuring smooth and responsive performance. The X-URBAN also boasts an enhanced suspension system and increased ground clearance, making it capable of handling challenging terrains with ease. Whether you're navigating busy city streets or exploring unpaved roads, the Veloz X-URBAN guarantees a reliable and enjoyable ride. Safety is a top priority for Toyota, and the Novo Veloz X-URBAN is equipped with the latest Toyota Safety Sense suite. This includes advanced features like pre-collision system, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert. With 6 airbags, ABS, EBD, and a 360-degree camera, the Veloz X-URBAN provides comprehensive protection for you and your passengers. One of the standout features of the Novo Toyota Veloz X-URBAN is its practicality. The vehicle offers a generous cargo space that can be further expanded by folding down the rear seats. Whether you're packing for a road trip or loading up groceries, the X-URBAN has you covered. Additionally, its fuel efficiency of 18 km/L ensures that you can go the extra mile without worrying about frequent stops at the pump. Toyota offers the Novo Veloz X-URBAN in multiple trims to cater to different needs and preferences. The base model provides excellent value with essential features, while the top-tier variant includes all the bells and whistles for a premium experience. With prices starting at $22,000, the Veloz X-URBAN is an attractive option for families, urban explorers, and anyone seeking a versatile and stylish vehicle. So, why choose the 2025 Novo Toyota Veloz X-URBAN? It's a vehicle that combines elegance, performance, and practicality in one package. From its eye-catching design and luxurious interior to its advanced technology and robust safety features, the X-URBAN is built to impress. Add Toyota's legendary reliability to the mix, and you have a vehicle that's ready to tackle anything life throws at you. That's all for today's review of the 2025 Novo Toyota Veloz X-URBAN. What are your thoughts on this impressive MPV? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to AB Luxury for more in-depth reviews of the latest cars. Until next time, drive safe and stay luxurious.